Hello there, this is Joel Brown, coming back again with a little credit tip for a common question I get all the time. And this is regarding credit reporting, and when you pay off a credit card or pay off a balance or you pay off a collection account, when does that get reflected on your credit and your credit score? And the simple answer is as follows. Excuse me, I don't have the coronavirus. At least I don't think. I haven't been tested, but no, I'm not sick. Anyways, this is what happens. Let's say this typically happens in the context of someone trying to get a loan, like say a mortgage, a car loan, or something, and they go and the lender tells them, hey, you've got this outstanding medical collection account, or you've got your balance is too high on your credit card, we need you to pay some of that down because when you do that, then your credit score goes up. And so this is a very common threshold when you're trying to get your credit score bumped up to the next level to get a better interest rate or whatever it may be. This is the simple answer. All creditors typically report to the 3 credit bureaus or to the whatever credit bureaus they report one time every month for all their clients. So for example, let's say you have a Capital One credit card and you have a $2,000 balance and you want to pay that balance off because when you pay a balance off, your credit score will go up. They are going to report the data on all their clients typically one time a month. This is done electronically. It's all electronic. They do essentially an exporting of data to the credit bureaus one time every month. So if you happen to pay off that balance on that credit card, let's say 1 or 2 days after they had made the data dump that month to the credit bureaus, you're not going to have that reflected on your credit and therefore your credit score going up until almost a full month later, 28 or 29 or 30 days later, when they re-report the information again on all their clients. On the flip side, if you make that $2,000 payment, say 1 or 2 days before they're about to do their data export to the credit bureaus, you're going to get the full benefit of that because they're going to report your new balance. It's going to help your credit score. What does all this mean? When you're going to pay something off, ask the creditor, whether it be, again, a collection agency that you're paying a medical bill on, a hospital, a credit card company, ask them, when do they report their data every month? Because then you'll have an idea and you can tell your lender, hey, the reason why it's not showing up, or it's going to show up on this date, so pull my report after this date because then my score will be reflected. Again, very important information. The more information you have, the better it is for you to make educated decisions on your credit. So, hope you found this useful. If you have questions, let me know. You can always send me an instant message. Thanks and have a great day, everybody.